Hello, I just wanted to show you a few things with Blendshapes. It's something that I've been thinking about when it comes to games with a lot of items and loot, but they always have to like craft special sets. I think it'd be kind of cool if we had procedural generation on some of the armors. These uses blend shapes and very basic and bare bones right now for an example, but I think a system like this expanded could prove pretty cool, especially in the hands of someone who's more well versed in creating cool looking assets, more modeling and texturing and that pipeline. But just to set it up, all of these just use blend shapes. I have it so that shaders randomize between colors. Just to show you an example here, so if I select these and duplicate them, you can see that within a few areas the colors are changing. The way that's set up in my shader view is if I click on this, right now what's happening is it's keying through the blend shapes just on the different parameters I've set up. So that's why the graphs are like this here. But if we go into the shader view and shader editor, the way I've set this up is that, let's just go to something here, is that it uses the object info and it's completely random. It feeds into the fact of a color ramp, which has a variety of colors here. That's into the base color and into the material output. I have 3 different kind of materials. One that controls the major colors, the trims here, and the crown color over here and here. I've just duplicated the materials and added a math node here that just adds like a small value so that the colors aren't going to be the same. I've also noticed here that I have the object info feeding into roughness. That just changes the roughness of the metal here. You can see this one's super rough and this one is not rough. So yeah, I think this would be something kind of neat if someone who's well versed in video games, if you're making an RPG game, this could be one way to generate a lot of assets or procedural content on the fly using blend shapes. I have a still one here just to show you an example of what I have here. If I click this and if I go into, what is it called here? Sometimes I have to click through these, right here. So if I click on this, which is the, I'm not too sure, this is the object info or vertex groups. I've created a variety of shape keys here. So the basic shape key looks like this, and if we go into, well actually we'll have to tab into each one here. We tab this, you can see I've set end states of what a full key would look like. You can see there's a variety of shapes, some extrusions here and there. But if we go here and we start increasing the values, you can see that it's starting to shift and move things around. Now imagine if this was cool in a game. You pick up an item and it like randomizes this and voila, you have a single asset like this. You duplicate it, here's something else, and you know, we can change that to have that and have a ring kind of, crown like this. Duplicate this again. You can see that I'm starting to generate a lot of assets that I normally wouldn't have. It's all handled through the shape keys here. And we could create something else more random like this, increase this up here, and we can take the crowns down. Kind of neat. Well, that's all I just wanted to show you. Hopefully spur some cool ideas. Yeah, thank you.